Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. So guys, when you try to purchase any app or game in your App Store and you will see that your payment method was declined, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. Scroll it down, click on general and check for software update. From here you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to scroll it down. From here check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And after this, go back. So guys, now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and you need to reset your network settings. And after this, go back. So guys, now you have to check balance in your debit or credit card. If your balance is enough, then you need to add some balance. And guys, after this you can easily purchase your app or game or any other thing from your App Store. And guys, if you have a balance in your account but can't be able to purchase, then no need to worry. You have to contact with your bank support and you need to tell them that turn on online transaction and international transactions on your debit or credit card. And guys, after enabling international transaction, you can easily purchase anything from your App Store. And if all of these methods are not working, then you need to open Apple ID, click on payment and shipping, and guys, you need to remove old payment method and you need to add your new payment method here. And guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. Open your Apple Support app and scroll it down. From here select your gadget, and after this a subscription and purchases. And here you will see the multiple options, but guys, from here you need to select unable to purchase. Scroll it down, click on call, and you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.